Hello everyone, I am Nityavati. Welcome to Love Max. Today we are going to find about LCM, how to find the LCM of the given numbers. It is very important concept how to find the LCM. If you know the LCM easily, we are having the confidence to solve fraction numbers, rational numbers, everything. So first we have to learn how to solve the LCM. Okay, what is mean by LCM? Least common multiple. This common is a keyword. This common is a keyword, very important word. How many numbers they will give? Maybe 2, 3, 4, 5. All the 5 or all the 3, all the 2 having the common factor. First we have to check this word only. Okay, let us do the sum. First sum 12, 24 and 36. Okay, we should find this LCM. First you should try 12, 24, 36. Okay, this L-shaped line. I told you know which is the keyword? Common. You just check all the 3 having the common factor. X, all are looking like even number. So even number means it's compulsory divisible by 2. You can go 2 table only. Don't bother anything. Okay, so 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 18 2s are 36. Again it's a even number. So 2, 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12, 9. Now it is not a even number. Now 3 6 9. It is looking like we know clearly this is divisible by 3 table. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, again we have to check all the 3 having the common factor. 1 2 3, no. Okay, now 3 numbers, all the 3 they don't have the common factor. Again we go with check any 2, maybe this 2 or this 2 or this 2, this 2, any 2 having the common factor except 1 and 2 no, 2 and 3 no, 3 and 1 also no. First you have to check all the 3. It is not possible means any 2. That also not possible means you should multiply these outer side numbers. Okay, you should multiply this number. It is called the LCM of the given question. So LCM of 12, 24 and 36 is equal to, you just multiply these numbers, 2 into 2 into 3 into 1, 1 into 2 into 3. Just multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 1 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So the LCM of given number is 72. Okay, we will move on the next sum. Next only 2 number is there. So 70, 105. Okay, the number is end with 5. So it is easily divisible by 5. End with 0 also divisible by 5. So we take as a 5 table. Okay, so 1 5 is 5, remaining 2 4 5s are 20. Again 2 5s are 10, 1 5 is 5. Now 14, 21. It is not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. If we check 3 table means 14 is not factorable. 4 table not there, 5 table not there, 6 table it's not a factor. 7 is a factor of 14, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21. So LCM or everything basic is tables. If you learn tables well, LCM is very easy for you. Now only 2 terms are there. In these 2 having the common factor 2 and 3. Next number there is no common factor. So you just multiply all the remaining. So LCM of 70 and 105 is just multiply 5 into 7 into 2 into 3. Okay, 5 7s are 35, 35 2s are 70, 73s are 210. Okay. Next we are going the next sum 8 and 64, 8 64. You can, it is, we know, if we know the table it is very easy. It is directly divisible by 8 table. Okay, so 1 8 is 8, 8 8s are 64, 1 and 8 there is no common factor. So LCM of 8 and 64 is 8 into 1 into 8. 8 into 1 is 8, 8 8s are 64. Next we are going to the next sum 91, 112 and 49. 91, 112 and 49. Just check all the three having the common factor. This is 91. This is odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. 3 table means 91. 9 plus 1 10. 3 table also not possible. Check 4 factor. Check 5. Check 6. It is divisible by 7. It is divisible by 7. So 1 7 is 7. Remaining 2. 2 and 1 21. 3 7s are 21. Next take 11. 1 7 is 7. Remaining 4 42. 6 7s are 42. Next 7 7s are 49. Okay, now we have to check all the three having the common factor. One is a 13, one is a 16, one is a 7. If it is all the three having the common factor, no. All the three no means next what we have to do? We have to check any two is having common factor or not. Maybe this two or this two or this two. Any two. Check 13, 16 having common factor? No. 16 and 7? No. 7 and 13 also? No. So what is the resulting? You should multiply all the numbers. That's all. So LCM of 91, 112 and 49 is just multiply 7 into 13 into 16 into 7. Okay, 7 into 13 into 16 into 7. So 13 into 16. 7 7s are 49. I know clearly. So 13 into 16 is 208. So the final answer, you just multiply these two. Why? These are very small numbers that we got. But this only it is maybe around more than 10,000. So why we got so much number means because the only reason this is only stopping still only one factor. These are having so many steps, so many factors. But this is having only one factor. Any two is having common factor also? No. So we have to complete this. Okay. So finally 49 into 208 is the answer. Okay. Next 18, 54 and 81. 18, 54 and 81. You want to check the answer. Okay. Is all the three having the common factor? You have to check. This is the odd number. So we can't take 2 table. Take as a 3 table. Take as a 3 table. So 6 3s are 18. Next 1 3 is 3. Remaining 2. 8 3s are 24. 2 3s are 6. 7 3s are 21. Again it's looking like easily we are knowing it is divisible by 3. 2 9. Sorry, it is 6 not 9. 6 and 9. Because 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 9 3s are 21. Again we have to check all the three having the common factor. All the three having the common factor? No. Okay, we can check any two. Maybe this two or this two or this two. Yeah, 2 and 6 having the common factor, 6 and 9 having the common factor. So I am taking 6 and 9. What common factor? 3 tables. So this 2 you write as usual. This 2 you write as usual. The 2 comma, how many 2s are 6? 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Are you understand? This 2 you should write as usual. This 2 only I am 6 and 9 having common divisor 3. So I return. Again in this 3 number any 2 having the common divisor? Yes. 2 and 2 having the common divisor as 2. So 1 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. Then 3 you just write as usual. Okay. Now you should multiply only 3. All 2 numbers are 1 1, so not necessary. You should multiply this all the terms. You can get the LCM. Okay, LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 22 2s are 54, then 54, because 54 into 1 also 54. 54 into 1 also 54. So 54 into 3. Okay, 54 into 3 is 162. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? So next we are going to the same. You should continue all the method, but I'll teach you another one easy method. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write this answer. This is 10,192. Once you have, you can check this.